Hi friends, I am Uday Sagar Kandpal and I welcome you back to yet another lecture on Java using Netbeans IDE. So we have done a lot of lectures on the math part in Java, calculating the sine function, the tan function, the square root function, the nth root function and others, and also string functions, dynamic programming code. So today we will talk about how to take the input from the system input using the InputStreamReader provided in the Java class. Before that, I would like to ask all my new viewers to please subscribe to my channel, to please comment on my video, to please like my video, to please share my video, and also please press the bell icon for notifications. So let's start. Let's create a new project or a new class in the project, InputStreamDemo. What you have to do is just create psvm, the public static void main. Now you have to create a buffered reader, br equal to new buffered reader, and inside the buffer reader you have to pass the input stream reader, new input stream reader. Now you have to provide an input stream inside this input stream reader. Java provides a default input stream as system.in, which is inbuilt. So the system.in is inbuilt. Now you can see that it is taking the parameter. Now we just need to open the imports or include the imports now. So add import java.io.bufferedReader, import java.io.inputStreamReader. We have put that. Now we have to read the input from this input stream reader. So there are many functions for that. One is read function. The read function, as it says, reads a single character. The character read as an integer in the range 0 to 65,535. That's the limit of character to the power 16 minus 1, or minus 1 if the end of the stream has been reached. The next is read line. We can also read character buffer target or character string into a string. Now what will it do? We will look into this. This function is the read line function. The read line function reads an entire line that's ended with a line /n or a carriage return /r. So reads a line or text. A line is considered to be terminated by any one of the line field, a carriage return, or a carriage return followed by a line field, depending upon the operating system. In Windows it is /r/n. In Linux it's /n only. /n represents the line feed and /r represents a carriage return. So there is also the ability to read from a character buffer or a character array, or a character array with an offset and a length. That means we will provide an offset to the string in the character array and the length or the character. So let's now read a line itself. This is the easiest of all. After we don't have to manage anything in this. We just need to add throw clause for the Java exception, and now provide string out equal to this. Now we can print this again in the system.output. So just print the out. Now let's run this code. Now it's waiting for me to read. In the input file you can see the cursor over here. Now let's provide my name, Uday Kandpal. Now this is an entire line. I press enter. Enter means we have ended the line. So it is printed Uday Kandpal. It has printed Uday Kandpal means it has printed the entire line. So again, if we run this and provide I am Uday Kandpal dot I teach Java on YouTube. Now we know in English that a line is separated by a full stop, but here a line is separated by a special character known as /n or the enter function. Here we will press the enter and it will end the line. It will not print I am Uday Kandpal, but it will print I am Uday Kandpal, I teach Java on YouTube. You can see I am pressing the enter button. You can see the entire line is printed as it is, and it hasn't separated using the full stop operator, which is because the operators for full stop is used in English. In many other languages the different kind of full stops are used. So for that we have kept, or Java or any other programming language keeps the line character constant. There are different line characters, like I told you before, /n in Linux and /r/n in Windows. So it is operating system specific, and we can also get the operating system based line separator using this character system.getProperties or get property, and we can see there are the list of property. So there we can see there would be line.separator /line.separator. This is so system.getProperty, and we will provide line.separator over here, and this will provide me a string. So if I try to convert it into characters, int I equals to 0, I smaller than property dot length I plus plus, and if I print each character in int property dot caret function is used to get the character at index I. Let's print it again. So I am Uday. Let's enter 13 and 10. You can see /r/n is being printed. I can verify this. You can check any of the character in the website, on any of the internet website. You can search it on Google. So /n is line feed, that is 10, that's the line feed, and 13 is the carriage return. So as I said, the Windows has /10/13/ or /13/10, that's the /r/n, and so you can see that is being printed. Now coming back to the main topic, we have used a buffer reader. Buffer reader creates a buffer of text present in the input stream. We can also use the input stream reader directly, like this: input stream reader br equal to new input stream, but now the function changes. So now dot read, we see that we have lost the ability to read a line. We can read a character now. We can read a character buffer, or the size of target, a character array of the size of that array, and we can also provide an offset. So we have lost the ability to buffer the character into a line or a string or into this, but we still have the ability to get it inside a character array. So generally we use buffer reader itself, so we can undo that. And now we can run that again. Finally I learned input to read input stream using InputStreamReader, and that's the end of this video. Hope you liked this lecture. In future lecture we will talk about how to read from a file. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.